You've clicked on this because you hate your life. You believe you're a failure. You believe you can't do anything. You believe you're a piece of shit. You believe that you're a nobody. In this video, I'm going to tell you why you hate your life, and I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Okay, the number one massive reason why you hate your life is because you're addicted to instant gratification. Instant gratification is easy dopamines and easy tasks that give you pleasure, which mess up your dopamine receptors, and it stuffs up the reward system of your dopamine receptors. These are things like video games, junk food, social media, drugs and alcohol, and of course PMO. So these are those tasks that make you feel good at the time, but then they break you down the longer you keep doing them. I'm going to assume you're doing this on a day-to-day basis, because most modern men in our day and age are. That's how the world has just conditioned us to be. And we believe that that's the right way in life to live. Let me tell you, it's not. The right way is delayed gratification, which I'm going to talk about later in the video. Now, the second reason why you hate your life is you're always seeking social validation. You always want your friends to tell you that you've done a good job, or you're always trying to fit in. You're trying to fit into that party, when in reality, it's not really the place that you're meant to be. It's not who you are. And then another trait of social validation seeking is people pleasing. You're always trying to please people to then get that social validation. But this is just going to make you weak. And it more than likely already has. That's why you clicked on this. All right, the third reason why you hate your life is because you have a fixed mindset, which means basically that you never step out of your comfort zone. You never try new things. You're always just sticking to that same cycle over and over again when it's not helping you out at all. It's just programming you to be a certain way. You're always saying that you can't do that all the time, or you can't do this, can't do that, when in fact you actually could. You just never try. Now, the ways that you're going to fix your life is through delayed gratification and growing a growth mindset. Now, delayed gratification is tasks like exercise, meditating, journaling, reading, any of the good habits that are going to benefit you in the long run. It will take a long time and probably take years, but it will benefit you. Now, you need discipline. You need to grow your discipline up. If you don't grow your discipline, then you're not going to get very far. Discipline is the number one key to get you through this, as well as consistency. You need consistency. Again, if you don't have that, you're not going to go very far. Now, these two are going to level up your willpower. Your willpower is going to help you level up basically everything in your life. It's going to help you say no to bad habits. If someone offers you a drink and you don't want it, usually you'd say, oh yeah, no worries, one won't hurt me. Your willpower is going to help you say no. When you're on the right track, you're going to be able to say, nah, sorry mate. But as a standard person, how you are right now, you won't be able to, because you're just doing the standard habits. Now, the other way you're going to fix your life is through a growth mindset. Growing a growth mindset is the opposite to a fixed mindset. A growth mindset is you saying that you can do a task, or you can do this, do that. You will always find a way to succeed. You never have limitations on what you can and can't do. Through growing a growth mindset, you're always going to have a positive attitude to things, such as doing the tasks that you don't even feel like doing. Now, once you grow a growth mindset, you're always going to know that it's going to be worth it in the long run. Having a fixed mindset, on the other hand, you just give up easily. Having a growth mindset, you're never going to give up. You will always keep fighting. You'll be that hungry to succeed and have ambition and have all that sort of masculine stuff. You'll go far. Start doing delayed gratification and grow a growth mindset, and you'll start loving your life. Mark my words.